welcome back to New Wave Juicing. If you're new here, I'm Sid, and if you're coming back for another round, get ready for some new juicing. So again, just for everyone that's new, I started New Wave Juicing just because I love juicing so much, and I wanted to be able to show people at home how you guys can juice at home with some of your favorite ingredients or try out some new ingredients. So let's get into what we're gonna do here today. So today we're gonna start with my favorite, carrots, of course. We're also gonna throw in my other favorite, cucumbers. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of oranges. As always, a bit of ginger. And last but not least, we're gonna be adding in today's special guest and also my secret favorite thing I like to juice with, which is red bell peppers. You can use red bell peppers, green or yellow, whatever is in the store and on sale, you can use. Remember, we're here saving coins. We don't want to spend a ton of money on juice cleanses. We don't want to spend a ton of money to juice every day. So we're going to look for what's on sale with good substance, right? So go to your local grocery store and see what they have on sale. Usually they have 2 for $1, 2 for $2, whatever it is. Look for what's on sale. I love juicing bell peppers, especially red bell peppers. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about red bell peppers. They're high in vitamin C, as well as really good to keep good vision going. So just as carrots, you can use this to help increase your vision. Just make sure that your vision and your sight stays good. And I know that's something I think about because I wear contacts and I wear glasses, and I want to continue to keep some better eyesight than what I have right now. So I like to keep this and carrots in my diets daily. So we're gonna get into it. You can juice it just regular. Again, I like to cut up all my fruit because, again, I will say this a million times, it is therapy cutting up that fruit. So you'll see everything cut. You do not have to cut it if you don't want to, but I say cut it. If you guys have any questions or you guys want to see a video of me just cutting fruit and showing you the best way I think to cut fruit to put it into a juicer, why don't you guys comment down below? And while we're at it, you guys might as well subscribe up above too and like. Also, share this. You can share this video anywhere. I want to make sure we can get it out to people so they can watch this video and really take in what's happening and try it for themselves at home. So again, we're going to hit them with that orange, some carrot, some ginger, some cucumber, and some red bell pepper. Now we're going to keep the cucumber very light, so I'm going to start with that. And when I say very light, I'm just using it for some good juice base, but we're not going to use a ton. We're going to really use the carrots in this video as the base for this juice, and then also these bell peppers. They're going to be amazing, so let's get rolling on this one. So again, we're going to start with 1 cucumber. That's it. It's 1/2. The store had extremely large cucumbers this time around, so we should get some pretty good juice out of this. Let's get it juicing. So now that we have that cucumber in there, it juiced just this much. I just wanted a little bit in there to add a little more juiciness to it there. So now we're going to juice the bell peppers that I cut up. I got most of the seeds out, but it is really okay if some of the seeds make it in. So let's juice up these red bell peppers now. So I used 2 red bell peppers for this. They taste amazing in here. You're not going to get a strong taste of red bell peppers. Let me tell you why. The carrots and the oranges are going to overbear that taste in there, so you're not going to taste the bell peppers as much, but you're still going to get the nutrients, right? So it's all about getting in the nutrients of the things that are good for you, that you like, and not being able to taste them. So next, I'm going to go ahead and do some carrots. Remember everyone, with this juicer that I use, I like to get it all the way to the top to right where it's about to overfill, and that's how I know that I'll be able to fill 2 bottles of this drink, okay? So let's get started on these carrots. I'm gonna move it just a tad bit closer there. Here we go. We did 2 1-pound bags of the carrots. One tried to run away there, and that's how we got this. Let's get So there we have the carrots. So in here right now, we have our carrots, we have our cucumbers, and our red bell peppers. As you know, I love my ginger, so we're gonna throw just one piece in is what I'm feeling like this time around. So just one piece in here. Remember, add that ginger as you feel comfortable, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and get some oranges going in here. So next we're gonna go with our oranges. I think I just peeled 3 and threw them in here, and I think 3 is gonna be fine. Here's what I say again. Remember, if you're making a juice and you're like, wait, I just think I need more juice, I'm not feeling it, I always think it's great to add an apple. If I get through these oranges and I don't feel like I have enough here, I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple apples in just to balance it out there. Okay, so again, we're gonna go in with these oranges. I already peeled them. I don't like to leave the skin on when I juice, so I peeled them all up, and we'll get going on that. Okay, so there we go. We added our oranges in, we have our carrots, we have our red bell peppers, and we have our ginger and our cucumber. Now we're gonna go ahead and use this. Dropping and breaking things today, I guess. So now we're gonna go ahead and use this. So again, if you're new here, I will link this below. This is what you use if you're making almond milk and you take the almonds that you've done, you put it in here, and you let it extract that milk out. I'm actually use this for juice because I think it's great. I like to have a more smooth juice, not so much skin and pulp in it. I'm not a person that really likes pulp or the skin left over. So I go ahead and I put it in here. And before I haven't showed this, but it has this mesh covering right here. And then you just take this, if you see it here, and you push, and you go in a circular motion, which is what's gonna push everything out, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and take this here and pour it in here. You guys can see it there. There we go. So on this drink, you're gonna smell a lot of that red bell pepper in it, but it's gonna taste amazing. Remember to take this and swish it around just a bit to get the rest of those juices. So again, we're gonna take this, I'm gonna go like this. And you can see the juice coming out there and coming down. This juice contains so much vitamin C, so many good nutrients. It's great to include those fruits and vegetables that you don't usually like to cook with or get in your diet. Or if you're just juicing, you want to get more nutrients, there's no harm in adding something that is your favorite, adding something that's left over. The only thing that I wouldn't juice is onions. So that's the one thing that I wouldn't juice, but everything else I am willing to try and juice. And throughout the channel, we'll try out some new cool ways and things to juice. So, as we get to the end, again, there's that pulp that we have there. Not my favorite thing, so I like to take it out. But as you guys can see, that's what's kind of left over. So, we're going to push through. I like to make sure it's really in there and I got all the juice possible. There we go. I also wanted to tell you guys, I went and I found some cheaper bottles because I wanted to try out and find some bottles. These are from Wally World. I went to Walmart and I was able to find these for $1. They're a bit bigger and I think they're more made of plastic. They're not made of glass. But if you're looking for something quick that you can grab so you can start juicing immediately, this is another great source. If I can find it, I'll link that below as well, and then you can find it at any Walmart near you. But I'm going to use my glass one since I have them available right now. And again, I know that we'll be able to fill 2 of these up, so let's see if we'll make it. Also, you guys, as I'm doing this, comment below what other fruits you're super interested in me juicing, and let me know what you want to try out, and I can try it out for you guys and test it out, and we can see together how it goes. Perfect. I made it exactly 2. I'll fill this one up a little bit more. So this juice is super easy, super simple. Find some red bell peppers, find some green bell peppers, whatever the store has. go ahead and find it. Mix some oranges with the carrots and try it out together. If you want it a little sweeter, I say add in some apples there too, and you'll get yourself a great mix. We get a really great color from this because we get the red from the red bell peppers, and then we also get the orange from the carrots. So here is our red bell pepper juice. It is my all-time favorite. Remember, it's high in vitamin C and it's great for your vision and getting better vision and keeping your vision good. So again, remember, you can juice from home. It's simple, quick, and easy. And you can juice just about any fruit and vegetable. If you're willing to try it, then I say try it. And if it doesn't work, then you know for the next time. But I'm gonna keep trying stuff for you guys so you don't have to try it, and I can give you guys the actual recipes so you guys can do it at home. Well, this is Thirsty Thursday. Thanks for sticking along with me on this ride. I'm gonna go ahead and drink this right now because I'm like smelling it and I need it in my life. So until next Thirsty Thursday, I'll see you guys then.